Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru of Prince George here with another session of Subaru School. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set maintenance reminders in your vehicle. Now, this is applicable for anything with the 11.6-inch touchscreen. It will look slightly different if you have a convenience or entry-level model, Crosstrek, Impreza, Forester, etc. So on the main screen, the 11.6-inch, I'm in a 2024 Crosstrek right now. It'll look very similar for the Outback, the Legacy, the Ascent, and anything else with this new screen. So to set the maintenance reminder, so it pops up and says, hey, it's time for you to get an oil change, that sort of thing. We go to car info. Now, if car info is not on the main portion of your first screen, you can drag. Sometimes it's over here. But we go into car info, and it brings us to driving statistics and maintenance. So we're obviously going to go to maintenance. And it brings us up. So we've got it set to manual right now, so we can select our own manual interval. So we've got our maintenance scheduled, engine oil filter, maintenance schedule. You can get rid of the engine oil and oil filter one and just have maintenance schedule. I can reset it. Lots of choice. Now, since it's a new vehicle, you do get a 3-year trial to the My Subaru connected services. So maintenance reminders are included with your My Subaru subscription. So you'll get a ping from the app saying, hey, it's time. But let's go into manual. So if I want to make an adjustment, Subaru says you can go up to 10,000 kilometers or 6 months, whichever ever comes first. So from today's date, that puts us to September 6th. Now, if I want to change this, let's say I want a reminder a couple days before so I have time. Do that, it's set. So now it's going to remind me on September 2nd, 2024, or at 9,943 kilometers that I need to change my engine oil. Now, I can update it, and it just zeroes notification date and goes by the kilometers. I can reset everything. Let's reset. And I get to choose my own. So super easy. You can customize your service intervals if you're a person that likes to do their servicing more often, or if you only go by the kilometers, not by the time, because you don't drive a lot, you can customize it for you. Now, we always pre-book our clients' first service when they take delivery of a vehicle. That's 6 months from original date of purchase. And then every time you're in for a service, our service advisors do try to pre-book your next service so you're not scrambling at the last second. So thanks for watching my how-to on how to book your own or to schedule your own service reminders in your new Subaru. I'm Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George. Thanks for watching Subaru School. Talk to you guys soon.